Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the default font size in Outlook for new emails, replies, and forwards on Windows. This is incredibly useful if you find yourself constantly adjusting the font size every time you write an email, as setting a default will save you time and ensure consistency across all your communications. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to load completely before proceeding. This ensures that all your settings and preferences are properly synced and ready to be modified. Once your email has loaded, we'll begin changing the default font size. Navigate to the File menu, which is located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open the File menu. This section contains all the core settings and account information for your Outlook application. When the File menu opens, take a moment to look at the very bottom part of the menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Options. Click on Options, and an Outlook Options window will appear. This is the central hub for customizing how Outlook behaves and displays information. From the left side menu in this window, click on Mail. The Mail section controls everything related to composing, reading, and managing your email messages. Under the Mail section, look for an option called Stationery and Fonts. This is where you can customize the appearance of your emails, including fonts, colors, and formatting. Click on Stationery and Fonts to proceed. A signature and stationery window will appear. Now, from this window, you'll see two important fields: new mail messages and replying or forwarding messages. These two fields allow you to set different font preferences depending on whether you're composing a brand new email or responding to an existing one. Click on the Font button in each of these fields. A font menu will appear, and from here you can set the default font size for your new emails, as well as for replies and forwarded mails. You can also adjust the font style and color if you wish, giving you full control over how your messages appear. After you've made your selections, click OK to retain the changes. Your new default font size will now be applied automatically every time you compose a new email, reply to a message, or forward one. This means you won't have to manually adjust the font size each time, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default font size in Outlook for new emails, replies, and forwards on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.